From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 16th question of NECO 2025 is a question on exponential equation. It says solve the equation x to the power 5 equals 1 over 32. So what we simply do here, x to the power 5, we can always write 1 over 32 as 32 to the power minus 1 from the laws of indices. And so x to the power 5, I can put 32 in base of 2, and it is 2 to the power 5 power minus 1. X to the power 5 simply equals, from the law of product rule in indices, this will multiply this. So we have 2 to the power minus 5. At this point, I can take fifth root of both sides to find what x is. And this will give me x to the power 5 to the fifth root. This is fifth root of 2 to the power minus 5. And I'll have x. Fifth root is the same as 2 to the power minus 5 power 1 over 5. So that my x is, 5 can cancel this. Now I'm having 2 to the power minus 1. And 2 to the power minus 1, just what we did here, is simply 1 over 2. And that's D. Thank you for watching.